A major water sporting body in Australia had to cancel one of its events due to extreme winds. Well, the boat participating in the event suffered major damages due to harsh winds. The second day of racing at the Australia Sail Grand Prix, which was scheduled to be held on Sunday, got cancelled as the boats were no longer in condition to compete. Well, you can see for yourself the intensity of the winds as it blew the Canadian wing sail on a crane into a marquee. Well, sailgp CEO Russell Coote said that the wind gusts that came through Sydney Harbour were almost as strong as a hurricane.
Well, it looked like, judging by the weather data, it was a pretty extreme event yesterday, meaning that the wind gust that came through was almost hurricane strength.
Well, sailgp in a statement said that as far as they were aware, no one was seriously injured during the event. Australian sailgp driver Tom Slingsby explained that his team managed to get their boat in the shed seconds before the storm hit.
The rew's good. Yeah, we were very fortunate. We were able to get the boat in the shed seconds before that weather storm hit, and fortunately the rew was safe and minimal damage.
Well, putting light on the upcoming events, the CEO said that sailgp will be able to proceed with the event or the next event in Christchurch and San Francisco with some potential changes or compromises. The next edition will be held in New Zealand, which is scheduled for the 18th and the 19th of March.